Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Allure beauty box for March 2019. First, let me tell you a little bit about this box. It is $15 a month, and you get sometimes full, sometimes sample size beauty products valued between $50 to $90. And then new members always get a free beauty bonus, and you can normally find a code for like $5 off your first box. This is definitely one of my favorite boxes. It's got a lot of high-end skincare and makeup in it. Sometimes more affordable stuff too, which is cool, but it's just like the last couple months have been amazing. So I'm excited to see what we have in here. I don't know any spoilers or anything, so let's just go ahead and open it up. As always, if I don't know at the time of filming if something is cruelty free, I will put that in the description box down below, as well as break down the value of the box to see whether we're getting a good deal or not. Alright, so when you open it up, it looks just like this. It's got a little card in here little booklet that will tell us the full size values of everything. And then now it always comes in this little bag, which I'm kind of grossed out, to be honest. Mine has a little, let's see if you can see it, a little hair right there. Yeah, it's a little gross, but we'll just pretend that somebody else has a dog and went to work that day and pretend that didn't happen. Okay, so actually before I open up this, I'm seeing something right on the outside. This is from, I've never heard of this brand, Naturale. And this is the Anywhere Cream Multistick. And mine is in the color Grapefruit. It does say on the packaging that it is cruelty-free and vegan and also gluten-free. So let's see. So here's what it looks like. So it's like, what is this? Okay, so there it is. It's like a blush and a lipstick, perhaps. Let's see what the little book says. Okay, so it's a cream blush. Interesting. Okay, I don't think I've ever tried a cream blush, so let's see. Oh, it's shimmery. So there it is on my hand. It's super, it looks way more muted on camera than it is in real life. It's pretty pink. There you go. Maybe you can see it there without the lighting on it. So maybe now that summer's coming up, this will be a good time to try this. I personally probably wear like less makeup in the summer to get like a more natural, you know, I have a tan going on, all that stuff. So maybe this will be good for that. So I definitely will play around with this. I'm excited that it's cruelty free. Let's see, this feels full size. The value is $35. So pretty cool right there. Excited to try a new brand, that's for sure. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and see what we have in the bag. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out, just because I've gotten it so many times and I hate it. I don't hate it, I've just never tried it because it's not cruelty free, but this is the Belif Aqua Bomb. I feel like I've gotten this, no joke, at least 5 times. There it is. This will just be going into a giveaway. Let's see if I can get a full-size value on it. So the full-size value is $38. This is obviously trial size, very tiny. But yeah, gotten it a million times. I don't know if it's good or not. Okay, the other thing I'm gonna pull out is just because I see it's a repeat from last month. This is from Mamonde. This is the, oh wait, this is a little bit different. This is the Rose Water Toner. The other thing I got was like a rose water foaming face wash. It definitely smells like roses, and after I researched for the last video, I found out it's not cruelty free, or it's like very unknown if it's cruelty free, so I'm not going to use this. There's a decent amount in there for a toner. I mean, you use very little, so let's see if I can get a full-size value on that. So the full-size value on that is $23, and I will say it's very, the face wash anyway is very rose scented. So if you're like me and you don't like the scent of roses, you definitely won't like this. But if you do like that scent, then you probably love this. Let's see, the next thing I'm going to pull out is from Biobelle. Never heard of this brand. This is the Botanic Fiber Facial Mask. Hydrates and nourishes. There it is right there. It says it's free of GMOs, parabens, and gluten and phthalate free, but it does not say if it's cruelty free, so I will definitely have to research that. I have so many face masks, it's kind of becoming a problem. So it's valued at $3.99 for one mask. So yeah, I do like sheet masks, which is what this is, so if it is cruelty free, I definitely will use it. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, so I have another non-cruelty free item. This is from Dr. Brandt. This is Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. There it is right there. I've never tried this brand just because they're not cruelty free, and I never tried them before I went cruelty free. But I have heard really good things about this brand, so if you're not cruelty free and you're looking for some sort of face stuff, I've heard good things about this brand. But yeah, this will just be going into a giveaway. Let me get the full size value on that. It is a expensive brand. Okay, so the full size of that is $79, so a little bit expensive. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Derma E. So this is another Microdermabrasion scrub. Derma E is cruelty free, that I do know, so let's see. So yeah, it's just like one of those gritty face washers. I'm sure we've all used them. It smells okay. It smells a little bit like lemons, honestly. So yeah. It's vegan, GMO free, cruelty free, all that good stuff. I definitely will use this. I like to use like an exfoliating face wash like once a week or so, but not too often because I don't want to, you know, destroy my skin basically. So there's that. Full size of that is $32.50. So again, a little bit more expensive. Okay, so the last thing I'm pulling out is from Acure. This is Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. There's that. I have used, I think, an SPF from this brand before. They are cruelty free. This is like a lot of free stuff. This is paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free, petroleum free, silicone free, and cruelty free. So yeah, cool. I'm not sure what a blue tansy is. Let's see, it does say blue tansy and rose as the scent down there. So I'm a little, let's see how much rose it smells like because I hate the scent of roses. Okay, so cool. So the packaging is just like this little blue liquid. Oh, it's a roller. What is this? So it says, whoever, because this is like all like beauty, like Allure editors like favorites in here. So the person who recommended this one just uses it after retinol at night, on dry spots before makeup, and even on the ends of her hair. Interesting. Let's go ahead and see what it smells like. So yeah, it's not too rose scented. I'm definitely interested in trying this out. I've been using a lot more oils on my face. I just feel like it's so moisturizing, and I've seen great benefits in my skin personally with using oil as a daytime moisturizer. So it smells pretty nice too. So I definitely will use this for sure. And that's a decent amount in there. That's not bad at all. Okay, so that's everything I got in my box this month. The book is a little bit different. It is telling you like all the things you could have gotten here. So the other things that I didn't get that other people could have potentially gotten in their boxes was a Tarteist lipstick, the Invisible hair ties. Sorry if the angle changed during that. My battery died. I had to charge it for a little bit. So let's see. I think I was in the middle of saying that you could also got the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment, Juice Beauty Green Apple Brightening Gel Cleanser, or a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. So, yeah. But overall, I mean, this wasn't my favorite Allure beauty box just because some of the things I got I can't use because they're not cruelty free. But the things I can use, I did really enjoy. I think I will enjoy. Let me know your thoughts. Did you get the same things? Did you get some of the other options in your Allure beauty box? I would love to know. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more of my dog trying to find the perfect toy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.